Woo! Day 2 here, Hurricane Harbor. We got Davey Boy up there, getting ready to go down the typhoon here. He's up there on the other side of that yellow. He's up there with that lady and her daughter. Just didn't want to ride yet, so. Ow. There he goes. There's Davey Boy. Dave's giving me the signal. Let me know he's next, but I already know. Okay. I think they're going to be the next ones down.
They're on right now.
They're going to be the next ones out of the tube.
I mean, they're the next ones down right now.
Yep. Tim, stop. Move my arm. Right, Tim? There's Tim.
What?
Alright. There they come.
Okay, come on.
And that was the ride down the typhoon.